What's up everybody? Welcome to today's video on Kanashimi Racing. What we've got for you, we've got
k11 Micra.
And we're out racing
k11 Micra.
Winton Motorsport Race Park today. Hell yeah, brother! There's John in the $800 Micra. What are your thoughts on loosening the dampers at the front? Are they fine?
I mean, you can experiment, just do 2 clicks.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
1, 2. You want to do the other side?
Yeah. 1, 2.
2 clicks.
Yeah. 2 clicks. Too bad.
How's the Micra going?
Not too bad. Brakes are a little bit, sketchy, but we can fix that. You've managed a 51, and I've managed a 53. But I haven't had any clean laps, so I'm just going to make excuses. It's the car's fault.
It's because it's not a Civic. We don't know how to drive.
We don't know how to drive it, because
It's a 1.3.
Yeah.
And it's got 2 cams.
2 cams.
I don't know how to drive 2 cams.
I know how to drive 2 cams, but 1.3 really puts me off.
Yeah, it's got to be an even number.
Yeah, like...
You're one of those people with the volume that it has to be even.
Yeah, like at 23.
Yeah, can't be doing that.
So, we found that.
We have a battery light for a reason.
Yeah, and the belt's a bit floppy,
I mean,
much like John.
yeah, not hard right now.
Not hard.
There was a pulley on the track. I think it's ours.
We lost the pulley.
What? On the track?
Yeah.
Is it an imported pulley?
Just the alternator.
Oh yeah, cool.
It's running, like it's still going, like it's
Yeah.
still pulling it's still doing the thing.
Yeah.
It's just that
So there's another.
we have a battery light.
The tensioner or something?
Yeah, the tensioner. So
Yeah.
it looks like it goes.
There's a loose bolt just jingling, jangling.
Oh.
That's it. Is it there?
Nah, this is the
that's
bit that goes into
Yeah,
it.
that's the bolt that made me think, because I saw something on track and I'm like, looking back, I'm like,
Where was it?
Shiny.
yeah, down the back.
My shiny.
No, it wasn't shiny, it was black.
Down that complete opposite side.
Back corner, yeah.
You gotta
That's a
look
big
for
rock.
it.
Yeah, go ask
You have
now.
the right time. You got
Off you go, Kurt.
Yeah. Bye, Kurt. Good luck, Kurt.
That's probably why we PB'd, because it had more power because it wasn't charging the battery.
You guys are doing great
For this piece of shit, yeah.
like I know how
$100.
it's a real struggle to get these things going.
Yeah, it wants to fight me. So, because I'm really aggressive, as you may or may not have noticed, I like to use all of the ripple strip. This doesn't like any of the ripple strip. Don't worry, we fixed it.
Oh, okay.
Down over that back bit somewhere.
Over there.
Yeah.
You alright?
Thank you.
I mean,
Fingers crossed for another PB.
So, yeah, so after the track day, the K11 decided to die because the pulley, or the idler pulley, or the tensioner decided to fall off at the track. We were like, sweet, we got through a whole track day without it dying. Battery should last.
And it's still bright outside, so we don't need the lights.
So we don't need the lights. And
We were wrong. It died.
it died, and we tried and we tried and we tried. We tried to MacGyver a couple of...
And an old man jump started it, and it still died. It drove like 30 meters up the road.
Yeah. So we got it to, what was it?
Euroa.
And we left it at a KFC overnight. So I guess you're going to see
Our attempts to fix it.
our attempts to fix it.
Do we make it home?
Who knows?
Place your guesses in the comments.
Like and subscribe. See?
Featuring Ying from Mighty
Oh
Car.
yeah, Ying from Mighty Car Mods was, you know, you just saw her. So yeah, we're pretty
As the title lets you know, she was a prominent feature. Of
prominent feature, we're a big deal. Take us very seriously. So we're on our way to towards Winton. We're on our way towards Winton.
To Euroa.
We're not going to Winton because what happened, John?
We pulled too hard.
We pulled too hard, and what happened?
We no longer have a pulley.
We no longer have an alternator pulley on the Micra, so the Micra died on the way home. But luckily, it is the next day, and we are about an hour and 26 minutes from our destination, and we left the Micra at a KFC overnight, so hopefully it's still there when we get there. What are the odds on it still being there, you reckon?
Well, I've got a pretty good chance. But I think if something gets brought up as abandoned, they usually have to wait a while.
Yeah, I think it's like 3 days or 7 days or something like that.
Yeah, I think it depends on the situation.
Yeah.
But because it's a like car park, it's a little bit different than private property.
Yeah.
So we should be okay.
Should be.
Just as long as no one's dragging it onto a trail.
Yeah, look, we took the steering wheel out, we took the battery out, we took the seats out, except for the driver's seat. Sorry, Philip, if we've lost your seat, I'll buy you another one.
And we'll get Michael to weld you up a new one.
And we'll get it all fitted in there for you nicely. But yeah, we hope it's still there. What else did we take out? Everything. We took everything out of it, so we're gonna have to put it back together.
No battery, we have to take the battery to charge it.
Yeah, we took the battery to charge it.
Which we're currently doing in the Civic right now.
Yeah, the Civic. What Civic? So there you go. We're on our way. We're an hour and a half away, and we'll keep you updated on how the trip goes. And we're back again. We're back again. So, in our wish to get the Micra home yesterday,
And
tiredness, we decided to try something a little different. We taped the belt. We tried to tape the belt to the pulley, and
No, we didn't try to tape it to the pulley.
why is it so sticky on the outside then?
Bit of grip.
Bit of grip, but we tried to make the belt tauter by taping it, and it worked. It was moving, but it just flung off straight away, so it did not work. But now I have to
It
go
worked
through.
until it had some revs.
Yeah, it worked until it revved. So I'm gonna attempt to unpick all this. Wish me luck.
You have an hour and 13 minutes.
Yeah, I have an hour and 13 minutes.
Check back.
Now the belt's clean.
And only 7 minutes till we get there.
Yeah, so it only took us about 15 minutes to get here. It's because we're driving a Civic, and the Civics are VTEC and fast.
Of a car.
Yeah, it's still there! Woo! I'll tell you what though,
Speedy time.
I gotta go drive the Micra. And you're only allowed to drive the Micra with these glasses on because they came in it. Thanks, dude, who left them in there. You're a G.
Oh no.
Well, it has no plates on it. No stress. Nah, they're probably just eating their donuts.
I've heard that there's reports of a white car that's been sitting here overnight. Let's go for a walk and hope they fuck off.
Yep. Oh, still smells like kangaroo. I'm not allowed to film this car yet. There it is, dude. There it is. Oh, look at it. Look at it.
Fuck, it's fucking dirty.
Alright, let's go have a look.
Yeah, dude.
Well, it lives.
Well, not yet.
It looks good though. Look at that lighting. Or cuz. Look at that lighting. Tough.
Pop the bonnet.
Alright.
Alright, let's get this pulley on. Do you have the belt? Do you get the belt?
Dude. Wrecker parts.
Was not.
You're still gonna need. It's the wrong way, dude.
I realised that you'd used it to tighten because I used it to loosen last. But let's just chuck it in loose for now, get the belt in and then tighten everything.
Yep.
Well, that's not going anywhere.
Yeah, but grab at least one of these 10s.
Yeah.
Slap it in that hole. Oh man, I'm gonna have to. Man, I'm gonna have to go to KFC and wash my hands.
You're going to have to go fucking KFC. What about this shit?
Finger licking good, dude. True.
I need an extension now. There's a belt on. You pass me the little itty bitty
The little itty bitty
extender.
titty committee.
Tight first before any of that shit, or else it'll probably fly off again. Hello, mate.
How about that for a camera angle?
Probably terrible.
Oh, it's great. Alright, so we replaced the whole thing, and now we're gonna try and start the cunt. Are you happy?
No battery light.
Hell yeah. Wait. Oh, it's because the handbrake's on.
Yeah.
I fell for that again.
Hang on. No lights.
No lights. Fixed. How much did it cost us to fix?
$13.
And how much of your sanity did it cost to fix?
3 years.
So the k11 lives. It's driving. Got about an hour to get home. An hour and 40 minutes. Woo! It rubs, but it's okay. It's gonna make it. So hopefully we'll put it in the garage and not look at it for a while. Because yeah, this was depressing.
Made it.
Car's home. Do you like our studio lighting setup?
The car. It's home.
It's home. It's definitely home. It's
This is a car.
they're both cars are home.
Both.
Yeah.
Not this car. This car?
Yeah, that car. It's home, and we're yeah, fucking exhausted. I was falling asleep at the wheel, but we made it. So I guess stay tuned for the reveal of new car next week on Kanashimi. We need to do a couple of shout outs as well. So shout out Todd. We want our coolant back, please.
Yep. As discussed, probably see it in the video. We want it back in Mount Franklin bottle. Give you to New Year's.
Yeah, New Year's, I reckon. That's fair.
Yeah.
Big shout out to Philip, who's got one of the coolest k11 Micras I've ever seen.
And he's seen at least 2 k11 Micras.
I've seen 3, but Phillips is definitely the coolest. He lent us a WRX seat. Welded very well to the rail.
So shout out Michael, who's yet to do it, but he will do it.
He doesn't know he's doing it yet.
Michael, we need you to be Magic Metal Man Mikey again.
We need to fix the seat rail for the guy who lent us the seat and we broke his seat because we're terrible people. Wait, we didn't even say our times.
Oh yeah.
Hey Jamie, bring that up.
Curtis, you did it in a 1:50.
That's good.
3.056.
Ooh.
I did it in a 1:50. 1.787.
Oh, it beat me out just this one time.